Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase melatonin in our body. Melatonin is a crucial hormone that signals to your body when it's time to sleep, helping regulate your circadian rhythm. By understanding its function, you can implement practical steps to naturally boost its levels. We'll explore how small adjustments to your daily routine can significantly improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a more restful night. Creating an ideal sleep environment is key to naturally increasing melatonin. Start by dimming the lights in your home as evening approaches, signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down. It's also important to avoid blue light from phones and computers for at least 1 hour before bed, as this light can suppress melatonin production. Finally, make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and kept at a cool temperature, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, for the best sleep. Consistent daily habits play a significant role in boosting your natural melatonin. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Regular exercise can also improve sleep quality, but avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime. Furthermore, be mindful of what you consume. Limit caffeine intake in the afternoon and avoid heavy, rich meals within 2 to 3 hours of sleep. Your diet can also influence melatonin production. Incorporate foods rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, such as nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. If lifestyle changes aren't enough, a melatonin supplement might be an option, but always consult a healthcare professional first to determine the right dosage and ensure it's safe for you. And speaking of making things easy, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for your meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.